Start recording and let's go. I am here for save your days of this problem. Minimum remove to make valid parentheses. Okay. Why we can do? In the program, you will receive one string of letters and parentheses, open and close parentheses. What you need to do is find the minimum number of parentheses you need to remove to make the remaining parentheses balanced or matching. Okay. But how I can solve the problem? Past here. Okay, I have the string, and in the problem you don't need matter with the letters. You can only check the parentheses. Checking only the parentheses, I have this. Okay, how we can solve the problem? Finding the minimum number of parentheses you need to remove is the same problem of find the maximum number of parentheses you can match. Like this. You can match the first these two those two parentheses and two again. Then the maximum number of parentheses you can match is this parentheses, 4 parentheses. Then you only need remove the last one. You remove the last one and the answer is this. If I check the answer here is the same, it's correct. Okay, but how can do this? For solve the problem, you can solve using one stack or using simple counting. For example, use a stack is more general, and I will also with stack because you can use this approach in the hardest problem, and it's better because it's more adaptive approach, is one more adaptive approach. In this approach is very simple. You will I need save the index of the open bracket inside the stack like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so the remain don't matter. Okay, if I find one open bracket, I will save the index here 3 and replace for one distinctive character. I can replace with one character outside the set of given characters. In the input, I only have the parentheses and lowercase letter. Then I can replace with characters like this, is distinct characters of set you will give. Okay, let's replace with some like this. If I find another, put inside, add inside, replace, and if I find one close, you need on check. I have one open before, then you need look for the stack. If the stack is not empty, you need to get the last one and substitute for the open bracket. And make the same with the last one. Check if I have, erase, substitute again, and follow. Using this approach, I am here. Let's reset, no, let's retrieve, let's limit. It's very simple. In this approach, I have one stack, iterate for all elements inside this string. If is an open bracket, oh, close bracket, no, parenthesis. If is a parenthesis, I check. If is a open parenthesis, put inside, add inside, push inside this stack. If is one parenthesis, for example here, push inside this stack the ID of the parenthesis. If is a close, check. If the stack is not empty, retrieve the last one input, remove, and substitute for the parentheses. If the stack is empty, then you cannot use the close parentheses. Then only substitute for undecisive characters. After that, I'm here and check for create an answer. The answer is all of letters that is different of distinctive characters. If I run the code, it's okay. If I submit the code, it's a bit faster than more than 80%. Okay, it's a good approach. Probably the better approach using only counters. If I check stack, okay, only counters here. I can use only counters, but if you have more parentheses, for example, brackets or something like this, counters can be very difficult to implement. Then stack is more general and it's better for general purpose. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you notice some English errors, please comment below because I am English learning. And see you next time. Peace. Bye bye.